Welcome to my channel, YouTube. Yesterday I did a video on the Galaxy S10 tempered glass screen protector by Whitestone Dome. You can check that video out. I'll leave a link down in the description. I've had 24 hours to mess with it, and I gave a pretty bad review yesterday. 24 hours later, I do have some slightly different thoughts. I wanted to give you an update. I did a video yesterday on my Whitestone Dome case, and I gave it a pretty crappy review because of the in-display fingerprint reader on the S10. And let me tell you guys, overnight, I did keep it on overnight. I did contact Whitestone. I have not heard back from them, but I decided with as much as this case cost, I was going to leave it on and see what happened. I did get up today and it still wasn't working well. I deleted the fingerprints, and today when I went to reinstall the fingerprints, it was a lot easier for me to register them. So I just want to show you that now I'm having about 50% success rate. So no match. No match. No match. Hey, and there, it worked. So I didn't think I'd be doing the video justice without an update video, just to let you know that it does work, just not well. So I didn't want to totally trash them. There you go, guys. See, first time. I think this is the best screen protector that you can get. You know, that's what they advertise. I'm not sure. I'll show you my other thumb. It worked that time too. So maybe that's the trick. Maybe you just have to let it cure for, 24 hours or something like that before you try it. But I felt like I was doing an injustice if I just left the original video up and didn't do an update to let you guys know that after 24 hours it was working significantly better. Like I said, I don't know if they just needed, if the glue needed like 24 hours to harden a little bit so it could read the fingerprints better. Either way, I did look up some different reviews. And the different reviews said that now they're recommending during the installation process to press down on the fingerprint reader before you put the UV light over it and cure it. Now the directions that come with it do not say that. So, they're a little late on putting that out for people who have already installed them. I didn't do that personally. I installed it exactly per the original directions, and I couldn't get it to work at all yesterday, but like I said, today it was working much better after 24 hours. So just an update video for you guys. I hope this helps you at all. I still don't know if I would take the chance again on buying this, but I'm going to leave that one up to you guys. I'm just reviewing the facts, letting you know what happened with my purchase. And I do still see Whitestone put out a statement saying that they found that their fingerprint reader or the tempered glass screensaver doesn't work for about 30% of the users. Mine seems like it's working better now. So hopefully this will help you guys make a decision on whether or not to make that purchase. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you like these videos, go ahead and hit the like button and maybe subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to upgrade some of my equipment, some of my video editing, so hopefully I can make some better videos for you guys. So until the next time, hit that like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.